Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the HDMI CEC settings on Sharp Android TV. HDMI CEC settings let you adjust the settings of, let you control the HDMI device using your TV. So for example, you can set it that if you turn the TV on, the HDMI device will also turn on, like your console or set-top box, whatever, as long as it supports it. Your TV does. So let's go to the settings in top right corner, then go to the device preferences and go to inputs, then go down to HDMI CEC, and you'll see HDMI control. So it'll allow the TV to control HDMI devices. Device auto power off, that when it's enabled, then when you power off the TV, the HDMI devices will also be powered off. And TV auto power on works in a way that when you power on the TV, when you power on the HDMI device, the TV will also get powered on. Then you can go to CEC device list, and here you'll see the CEC devices that are connected. I don't have any, but if you had any CEC devices, then they will be shown here. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.